Alright guys, welcome back, and in this video what we're going to do is we're going to take all this Python code that we've written and we're going to turn it into an executable file. And if you don't know what an executable file is, it's basically one of those files that you can just double click and a window or something that will pop up, and basically from there you can use the program like a real live application. Alright, so enough me talking, let's just go ahead and do that. So go ahead and go to Preferences, and under Project Interpreter, go ahead and press this thing right here, the plus sign. And go ahead and type in py install, and here it is. And go ahead and click this button right here, Install Package. And what this will allow us to do is basically going to install this package, which is basically going to make us take all the Python code that we have and turn it to an executable file. So simple enough. And let's just verify it. It's right here. So everything looks good so far. So go ahead and open your terminal. So guys, let me just clarify something real quick. If you don't have PyCharm installed, go ahead online and watch a tutorial about how to install PyInstaller, and from there you're good to go. Because I'm not going to go through that because I'm kind of assuming that you're using PyCharm or something like that. So from there you can just, once you have PyInstaller installed, you can just follow along from right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and basically navigate to our file. I mean, by default, as soon as you open the terminal, it's already in this file. The way we know that is if you go ahead and type in ls, we're already in this directory. But if you're lost and you don't know how to get there, go ahead and type in cd in your terminal, go ahead and type in ls, and go to where your file is located. So my file is located in my desktop, and ls, and go ahead and type in cd, where is it, polynomial, and boom, here I am again. Alright, so as soon as you see all these files, you are at the right directory. Alright, so once you're here guys, all you gotta type is this. Go ahead and I'm just gonna copy right here. Go ahead and copy this line of code exactly letter by letter. And what this will allow us to do is basically is going to take this, oh my god, let me put this down a little bit. It's going to take this file right here and it's going to basically export it. So if we just go ahead and press enter, and alright, let me, guys, to be honest, I don't think I want to go through this line by line, but what this basically does, it allows you to take all this code that you've implemented right here and turn it to an executable file. So that's why I don't want to go to this line by line. And check this out guys, this is actually some magic right here. Go ahead and type in clear, and as soon as you press enter, everything will pop up right here. So as soon as you press enter, boom. It's some magic, right? So if you press that, you should find something that looks like this, and the name of this should be identical to the name of this file. Alright, so let's just get out of here for a little bit and go to our polynomial file and go to this specific file, and as you guys can see, we have this app ready to be launched. But I mean guys, look at this. Do you guys really think that the user want to use this app? Because I mean, it looks really ugly from the outside. So what we can do is right click, get info, and I just like found this picture online, but you guys can use any picture that you want. So as soon as you have a picture that you want to use it for your app or for your application, go ahead and go to edit, select all, and once you have everything selected, go ahead and press Command C. And what would that do is basically copy it and go to this icon right here and go ahead and press Command V. And what would that do is basically paste it. And go ahead and close this. And let's see, go ahead and also close that. And as you guys can see, you have your app looking very, very professional. All right, so let's just go back here real quick. And let's see, can I copy this? Yes, I can. And I'm just gonna copy this. I'm gonna rename this app to this. And here we have it, guys, the Polynomial Multiplier app ready to be launched and ready to go. All right, so let's just go ahead and double click that and see what happens. So if we went ahead and double click that, whoa, 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 what do we have? The exact same thing that we already had in our program. So enter the number of terms for the first polynomial. Let's just go ahead and test that real quick. 1, and let's say 2 here. And guys, remember when we, let me show you real quick. When we implemented this line of code, and I will show you right now what this line of code will allow us to do. So let's say that you've like input a number here, and the user was like trying to be smart, and he was like trying to mess up our program, and he just inputted a bunch of letters, and if he presses enter, the program is going to say, hey, I do not know what you've inputted, I do not understand. So this line of code right here just ran because the user didn't know, or basically the user didn't input the right data. Simple enough. So guys, and another thing that I want to tell you is this. So let's say that you did not like this message and you wanted to change it. For example, you thought that I did not do a good job implementing this statement right here. So all you got to do is go ahead and change it to whatever you want. So you can say, hey, you input the wrong data. So if you want to change that, and then all you got to do is go ahead and run the exact same thing and press enter and wait for a little bit. And go ahead and type in clear. So as soon as you do that, what will happen is you will have another GUI right here. And what this GUI will represent, or what this program will represent, is the updated version. So if we go to, this is the old version and this is the updated version. So if we double click this and we press 1 here, press 2 here, and let's say we press 3 here, and we try to be smart, I'm trying to be smart, I'm trying to be smart, and I run this, and it says you input the wrong data. Basically, this is a new update for your program. And you guys can go as crazy as you want, as creative as you want. This is all yours. Guys, I had so much fun creating these tutorial series, and I'm looking forward to creating another awesome, cool, epic tutorial series. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much for watching these tutorial series, and I will smell you guys next time.